To my future employer, good day. I'm Irene Barrientos from Philippines. I'm 31 years old, single, and a high school graduate. I'm the third child in the family. I started working since I'm 17 years old. I work here in Philippines as a domestic helper for 5 years. I serve 5 members of the family. My mom, sir, and the 3 daughters, ages 7, 3, and a 9 months old baby. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning, marketing, doing laundry, ironing, and playing with the kids. I love them so much and I treat them as my family. Then, I decided to work in Qatar for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family. My mom, sir, and the 3 kids, ages 10, 9, and 7 years old. My main duties are cooking Arabic food for them, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and playing with the kids. And sometimes I help them to make their assignments. Mom, sir, if you hire me, I will do my best and I'm willing to learn new things. Thank you and God bless.